This is a stock seat on my 2007 Yamaha Vstar 1300 Tourer. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's two 10mm bolts that hold this seat on. I'm going to take them off. Now that those bolts are out, I should be able to slide this forward and just lift it off. That's what it looks like underneath. It's dirty, needs cleaned off. I'll do that later. This is what the underside of the new seat looks like. Ultimate seat slides right in on that other bracket. I tighten up the bolts and I got the seat back on. I got her all secured. I'm gonna put the front seat back on. Front seat clicked right back into place. It's secured up in here and in underneath here. And there we go. That is the installation of the ultimate seat on a 2007 Vstar 1300 Tourer.